When replacing a door control module, it requires coding for successful commissioning. This process is available natively in your iSCAN device. In this video, we'll show you how to perform this procedure on a 2020 GLC 300-253 chassis. If there are required adaptations when coding is complete, like window initialization, be sure to complete these before driving the vehicle. Before beginning, connect a suitable vehicle power supply. Be sure to have a stable internet connection. Always use a wired connection between your NX and the VCI when programming. Be sure windshield wipers are in the off position before beginning. After auto-identifying the vehicle, enter the coding menu. Tap Coding. Tap System Select. Tap Body System. Scroll to Driver Door Control Module Front Left DCM-FL. Tap ECU Replacement Programming SCN Coding. Tap Enter to continue. Tap Yes, a new ECU purchased. In this instance, the original ECU does not communicate. Select No, the original ECU does not exist. Confirm new ECU is installed. Tap Enter. In our situation, we only replace the front left door control module. Tap Exit. No, the ECU is original. In this step, it is recommended to save time by not updating the programming software and to simply perform SCN coding. You can always come back and program the module if coding only does not result in a successfully commissioned module. Tap Enter. Do coding directly. Once complete, you'll receive a message confirming successful SCN coding. The procedure is complete. Tap Exit. Thanks for watching, and check out our other videos for more helpful tips and procedures for Mercedes Benz vehicles.